Good evening, everybody. Yeah, see, as all previous speaker has spoken about the need of IT and how IT has changed our life. Mr. Saptrishi Vasu elaborately told that how IT has changed our life, day-to-day life, and it got involved each factor, each element of our life. Now, without IT, thinking of anything is not possible. The smoothness of the life, what we are having nowadays, what we say is a modern life, is because of IT. The major contribution is IT. And as Pradeep sir has precisely explained that how even a core industry uses IT solutions and can improve their productions, their manufacturings, reduce defects, can follow up the materials and plenty of other things, which was not at all possible few years back. And Mr. Prabhas very rightly he has told where IT can be utilized, for any kind of industry or a business. But nowadays we have seen the world is changing, and the change is only constant as on today, and we need to accept it. And we have seen last 5 months how the world has changed. We all witnessed. We never thought of all these conditions or all these scenarios what we are going through now. So as the life and as the world is changing, we need to change and we need to upgrade it to advanced IT systems, like very well explained by Pradeep sir, that he told that how 15 years back he bought his systems which was generally not used in in forging industries those days. Why he have done that, why he have bought a advanced system? Because of that only you can be ahead in the competitions. We are ready to face the challenges, new challenges, whatever we are getting into the business. So but still people feel why we are having our own existing IT systems, why we should go for the advanced technologies, or why should we go for changing the technology to the next level. So here's a small short video what I'm playing, why we need advancement. Yeah, see, it is time to change, and it is not now. Every time we need to look forward, we need to look forward to a new technologies, new emerging technologies, and the better and faster. And what are the advantage we get by using this all new technologies? The first advantage I'm going to discuss is data integration. What is data integrations? As Mr. Prabhas has told, and Mr. Saptrishi has told, and Pradeep sir very well explained, they have so many verticals in their business, like purchase, marketing, productions, post productions, warehouses, and all these verticals have their own data. Now this data need to be integrated to make a smooth transactions and to run a business in a very proper manner. But there are limitations also. The marketing person cannot go and change anything in the purchase, and the purchase person cannot go and change anything in the marketing sections. So the modulation can be done. And even in that case, not all the marketing people can see what is happening in the productions. Not all the production people can see what is happening in the marketing. So all this data integration can be done with a limited permissions. It's not that everybody is able to access all the data, but they are able to access what is required for them. So that is the beauty of this advanced technologies, if we are using the advanced technologies. And the next is, as nowadays there are n number of systems are available in the market, and generally most of the companies they buy those systems, and those systems, like the same system is being used by a restaurant and same system is used by a t-shirt manufacturing company. So those kind of systems may not be suitable for all of them, and that create a lot of other problems. So what we can do by using these advanced technologies, we can build our own custom systems, what is required for us, and that is faster, cheaper, and effective. So let's go through this video and try to understand what are the impact we are going to face if we are using the standard system.
महाराज फरियाद चे महाराज.
See, here you can see the person was looking for justice, and when he rang the justice bell, the tongue of the bell or the rod of the bell fallen on him, and he died on the spot. See, same thing happened. If the same kind of system which is going to be used by a restaurant, which is going to be used by t-shirt manufacturing, the process is different. And that extra burden people have to take because they are using the standard systems. For a t-shirt manufacturing person, if suppose he has to give a expiry date, then how it will be? So generally a food processing industry need a expiry date, need to define expiry date. But a t-shirt manufacturing, I don't think so. So those all burdens will be there because the system is made for everyone. Now all the data must be filled, and without filling all the data, the form will not get submit and your data will not be stored. So by using niche technologies and advanced technologies, the custom system can be made, which is exactly required by us. It is not that what everybody is using, we need to use the same system. And the same scalability. See, I hope every one of us who is doing business now might be having 100 customers, 10 vendors, and 50 employees. With the time, it's going to grow, and it's going to grow in a big way. It might be, 1,000 customers, 100 vendors, or 50 or 500 employees, or maybe lakhs of customers, 500 vendors, and 50,000 employees. So our system, if it is built in by using this all advanced technologies, it is scalable. The old technologies, I don't say it is not scalable, but it is not so easy to accommodate the new data and change it accordingly. So always there is an advantage of using this new technologies. The system can be scalable, and it can be scalable anytime. It doesn't need any particular time frame. With a very short span of time, the amount of data which can be stored can be increased. Then next is extensionability. See, nowadays if you look at the business, for doing any kind of business, we need support. We need support from vendors. We need support from our marketing team. We need supports from n number of other suppliers. So now extensionability means what? Suppose we have a tie-up with a courier company who is delivering our goods. Now that API can be connected with our systems, and the moment that person will deliver the goods and he will update his systems, automatically our system will get updated because we are connected with them. Same manner, the vendor we can connect, the supplier we can connect with n number of people, and this gives a real a good advantage in terms of working, because you don't have to update anything personally, but everything as per mechanism, it is getting updated, and you are knowing what is exactly happening, where is your material, who is going to supply, and how much time it is going to take. So that is a very good thing what we can do with this new age technologies. Then the next is security. See, I don't say that by using the niche technologies, the system or your IT solution is 100% secure, but the probability of getting it hacked is very less compared to the old systems. Very less means quite less. It is negligible, but still, as probability says, there is probability lies always between 0 to 1. It cannot be 0, it cannot be 1. There is nothing which is short, there is nothing which is not at all possible. So considering that new technologies, we are using all these niche technologies, then definitely the system is not very easy to hack, and that provide a lot of security features. And with these security features, our data is safe. And once the data is safe, our business is safe. Nowadays, all about the data is all about your secrets, all about your trade secret, all about your transaction secrets. So that have a lot of value in today's business. The next is now this niche technology is a cloud base, as already Pardeep sir explained. See, having cloud-based system means what? You don't have to store anything at your place. You don't have to store at one particular place or one particular computer. Or we might used to hear, in old days that server got crash. Data got lost. Or now that thing is not there. Any number of server can be added. It can be moved from one server to another server with no time. So n number of things can happen. This is the advantage of using clouds. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much. If any one of you are having any questions, feel free to ask.